Builderall, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. In 1 minute, I'm going to show you exactly how I made 25 grand on autopilot using a simple little campaign with an affiliate product. I'm going to show you everything behind the scenes, 100% transparent. Watch this video. Okay guys, it's me, Kinghuman, and I want to show you how I made over 25,000 bucks. I'm going to show you and explain everything to you. This may be a long video, please bear with me. There's a lot of insider information in here, but it could be very profitable to you, so try and stick through it. If you're not willing to stick through a long tutorial, then you're not going to be successful in business. Alright, let's go. What's doing here is this is the Builderall platform. Now maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't, but there's a couple of cool new ways you can make this kind of money with this platform as a reseller. Now I'm showing you here, I'm being 100% transparent. I made over $25,000, $25,225.88 to be exact thus far. That's what's gone into my PayPal account. Now, how did I make that money? Well, I ran two campaigns. One was a free social media campaign, cost me nothing. The other was a pay-per-click Facebook ad, actually two of them. Now, as you can see here, and the Facebook ad did not cost me that much money at all. I put up, first of all, I do pay-per-click on Facebook, not pay-per-view ads, and I'll explain that in later videos. The other thing I do is I set my pay-per-click rate very low, and I used highly targeted keywords. So I'm not wasting money. I'm getting only the people that are interested to click on my ads. And if they're interested, they're likely to buy, because we'll get into that later. It really isn't rocket surgery, guys, really. So again, let's get deeper into this. Now, I have already made $25,225. I have available, as of today, another $59.79. Money comes in on autopilot with this. This is recurring income, and the kind of recurring income you could possibly make, you know, with some training, and I'm going to try and give you the training. Now, as you can see on hold, I've got $113.88. So what happens is money comes in every day and it goes in the on hold section. After a few days, it moves into the available section. Now once it's available to me, all I need to do is click withdraw and it goes right into my PayPal. Takes maybe 2 days. As you can see, this is not bogus. Now let's get into how this works, how you can make money. If I go click on resources, the other thing is, to do this, you're going to have to become a reseller of this platform. Now, once you're a reseller of this platform, you will have access to this section where it says Builderall Business, and it's going to give you all kinds of resources for you to be able to resell the platform and make the kind of money I made. Now, I'm going to click on resources and we're going to get into details here, because this is really, really cool. There's so many new ways to make money with this now. So as you can see, I paid for my reseller license and I got my reseller link, which is right here, builderallsystem.online. Once you become a reseller, you'll get a link just like that. It'll be unique to you. It won't be builderallsystem.online. It'll be whatever you want it to be. Now, if you want to get in on this and become a Builderall reseller, I would like it if you used my link. Go to builderallsystem.online. You don't have to. This is my affiliate link, again, being 100% transparent. And if you use this link, I get paid. This is what I'm going to teach you to do, how to get paid. So I'm investing time and energy to educate you and teach you exactly how I made my $25,000 So it would be nice if you used my link. You don't have to. Now, using my link doesn't cost you anything extra. But I'm gonna also give you another link where you're gonna get advanced tutorials on an ongoing basis. Now, you're gonna have to go to gimmemorefreetutorials.com. Gimme, gimmemorefreetutorials.com, and I'll be sending you more tutorials because I just can't cover all of this in a 10-minute video. So anyway, let me show you what's doing here. There's two ways to promote this Builderall platform and make money. If you look here, there are all these funnels. Now you're going to own these funnels as if you created them from scratch if you become a reseller. So you'll be able to do exactly what I did, which was I came through here and I picked one of these funnels. I forget which one. Maybe it was Builderall Business, maybe it was a 7-day free trial. But let me click on this and you'll be able to see what this website looks like. I'll click preview and you'll see what you're going to be sending traffic to. So this is the thing that you will send traffic to. Create, automate, and sell. The ultimate internet marketing platform to skyrocket your business online. And then click here and you see a video. And then this is a cool dynamic website. As you can see, very cool, very easy to sell if you do it right. Now, the other thing, this is selling the reseller license, basically the Builderall business. But the thing that gets me excited are these niche funnels, because these are completely done for you funnels in all of these different really highly targeted niches. And the thing is, the thing that's cool about this is you can really get specific targeting selling these websites to these different businesses just using some keyword intelligence. So for example, let me click on this real estate website and I'll show you what I mean. Now, this real estate website is a website that you sell to real estate professionals, realtors. If I click on preview, you'll see how cool this website is.
Are you looking to make more sales for your real estate business, but just don't know all?
Okay. So this is really cool. And it gets me excited because I can put up a Facebook ad with targeted keywords that goes after real estate agents on Facebook. And I can target and run ads in real estate agent groups on Facebook. I can run ads in real estate magazines. There are a bunch of magazines, online magazines for real estate professionals. I can run a simple little ad in there. Hey, you're a real estate professional, but your website sucks. Do you want a really dynamic website that's guaranteed to make you another 38% lead captures? You know, I mean, something like that. That's just off the top of my head. But let's look at this. Make sales every day with our pre-made system for your real estate business. No more. Click on that. Now, this is built in so that when people click on this, you get paid. You know, this is so cool. Here's the sales video that sells them what's doing. As we scroll, you can see that this is the video. So if the video was playing and it runs automatically, but I turned it off. Once I scroll past the video, it plays over here in a little box. This is cool. These are dynamic websites, and you can see what this guy gets for his money, and he's going to want this once you explain what it is. So he gets this Facebook ad setup that goes to, it's a complete funnel. Facebook ad setup goes to a landing page, there's an opt-in page, there's a call to activate, a confirmation page, the website, he's got pre-made email funnels. This is all cool. It's a proven template that will make them money. It explains everything to them. Here's a visual that shows it. Facebook ad, to website, to landing page, to opt-in page, to call us now, email confirmation. This is a done-for-them funnel. Facebook ads demo. Anyway, you can see the value of this. Now, if you were going to try and make this yourself and sell it, do you know what? I mean, you would go mental. So let's think, for example, and we've only picked this one funnel, this real estate business. We can market all of them. And remember, look at how many funnels there were. Niche funnels. There's a beauty salon funnel, a real estate, fitness, interior design, chiropractic agency, dentistry. A lot of money. You know, these dentists have a lot of money to spend. Home insurance, accountant, landscaping, divorce lawyers have tons of money. Solar energy, anti-aging skincare, plumbers, money. Electricians, money. You can sell these websites in a million different ways. So, again, all we need to do once we have our reseller license is come in here, click on real estate, and
are you looking to
shut up? And then we've got our unique URL. And all we need to do is run either free traffic or paid traffic to this URL and get people to buy the website. Very simple, very easy. Now, the other cool thing is, if you come in here, there's all kinds of different languages that we can. This is what most people don't do when they run an affiliate campaign. They only work in English. Look, we can get this funnel and market it to Spanish real estate agents. And, you know, this is so gold. Okay, here it is. Here it is in Spanish. Here's the blueprint. It shows everything. And you can get, well, let's go here. So you can get the beauty salon, the fitness, I don't know, I can't read Spanish, the chiropractor, here's the dentist. Anyway, you get the idea. So you can do this in different languages, run campaigns in different languages. So let's go back to English, and let's go back to a niche, the real estate niche funnel, and let's talk about how else we could sell this. We could run an ad in real estate magazines that are geared towards real estate agents, and there are a million of them online. All you have to do is Google search for it.
Are you looking to make more sales for your real estate business, but just don't know all?
So there are a million real estate agent magazines online, professional trade magazines. You can advertise on those. Here's another thing you could do, and it takes really no brains. There are places where you can buy email lists of real estate agents. So look at this. Here's a place you can buy lists, email lists of accountants, engineers, dentists, physicians. But right now it's showing me real estate agents. I can buy a list, a pre-made list of 11,364 real estate agents, and that's just in Nevada. If I want to go national, I can. Yeah, it seems expensive at $237, but there are other list agencies, and you can Google this and buy email lists of any business professional you want. Now, once you buy your list, and I'm giving you insider stuff here now. This is gold. This is the way to make money. You want to take it to a list cleaning service and run it through the list cleaning service so you eliminate all the bounces and all the spam traps. So just Google search for email list cleaning services. Get your list, run it through here. Yes, this can be expensive, these two things, but it may seem expensive to you to do all this, but the amount of money you make in return, if you do this right, and remember, it's going to be recurring income, it's going to be, you know, it's golden. It's like guys, this is what I do. This is what I do to make this kind of money. Where am I? Let me find it again. You know, this took nothing. This took nothing for me to make this kind of money. Okay, I want to give you more training. This video is way too long already. I want to give you a lot more training. So go to givememorefreetutorials.com and I will send into your email box the videos as I make them, and we will get deeper into marketing all of these things. And I've got something else going on too. Anyway, okay, I'm going mental. Do it, don't do it, I really don't care. But this is what I do, guys. I'm showing you the peek behind the curtain, and there it is. So, guys, do a solid and maybe share this video with somebody that you think would be interested in it. And also donate a couple of bucks to help us kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. All right, maximum respect. I hope I didn't bore you too much, but this is exciting stuff. Cheers.